Hey folks, back with another unboxing. Again, I'm not going to put on the overhead light because I think it'll just give you a glare. So I hope this color and this lighting is good enough for you. I hope so. Simple unboxing. I'm going to test these out. Got them for review on thegadgeteer.com. These are by Kiwi Ears, and their model is Altruva. They're not that expensive. They're hi-fi 50mm dynamic driver headphones. Something that I think I want to sit at my laptop when I work during the day and have different needs to listen to different things, that I can do so with a nice comfortable set of headphones that sound decent. And I have a whole series of headphones under sub $100. These I believe are $70, $69.99. So just let me do the unboxing. This is an unboxing only, so I'm not giving you my impression of the sound. I wouldn't know that for a while. You can find out how I feel about the sound and the feel and the comfort and all of that by using the link and clicking on the link in the description below in this video for the full review that will be out soon at the-gadgeteer.com. So let's go. My trusty knife. Open it up in front of you for the first time. You can see that. Simple, the usual simple clear tape. Open up the box. I'm going to do a stand-up so you can see how it comes. Here's the headphones. Let's see what else is in the box. I need to put it down because I don't want to. I'll take out what's in here. All right. So there's nothing else left in the box. We have the user manual, which is 2 pages, nothing else. And I need my glasses for it. It says driver technology, 50mm. I can read it. Sensitivity, 98. Ooh, no, I need my glasses. It's pretty tiny. Sensitivity is 98 decibels plus or minus 3 decibels. Frequency response, 20 hertz to 40 kilohertz. Impedance, 32 ohms. Inside the box is the headphones. 3.5mm to 6.35mm adapter. Comes with a 1-year warranty. So let's see what's in there. And what they call 3.5 to 6 point whatever is a nice long cable with 3.5mm audio ends and what we would call the stereo TRS adapter, right? That simply goes on like this, and now you plug it into a standard TRS adapter, TRS audio port. If not, you've got the standard stereo 3.5mm ports. Actually, it goes on this end. I'm sorry, because it has a screw end. All right, can't come off. It fit the other end because it's 3.5mm. It's a nice long cable. All right. What's interesting here is this end, so let me get this right. This end is the 3.5mm that takes the TRS adapter, what we call quarter. It says 6.35mm, but I think we call it a quarter TRS adapter. On the other end is 2 mono, I guess, will be 3.5mm adapters, because it is obvious that these headsets, which look nice even unpacking them, take audio cables, which is very interesting, because that means that they're likely not Bluetooth. Oh, that felt so satisfying. So let's look at them. They're very lightweight. The padding feels comfortable. I'm not sure if you're sweating in it or something, which I hope not to do since I have climate control in the studio here. I love the wood grain finish. I'm pretty sure it's not wood, but the wood grain look is great. As you see, the earpiece just popped off, so the earpiece goes in, I believe, and turns and clicks. Yep, and that's how you lock it on, so it doesn't come off. So what that means is they're replaceable, right? And I like that. It's interesting that maybe I put it the wrong side because there we go. Okay. They've used like Allen key nuts to connect the headband to the frame. I like that. There's a padded headband, not much padding, but with this kind of elastic design. I went out of frame there for a second. Right? You're not worried a lot about heavy padding because there's an adjustments happening here on a elastic band that maybe we'll see how long that will last like this. Right? Remember, these are sub 100. They're $70. Look pretty good. I like this whole mesh design, the wood-like looking finish, the branding on either side, on the bottom. So these are not Bluetooth. Okay, these are standard. You've got a Y cable that plugs into each one, and you will need to have, if you're using this for a computer, for instance, you will need to have a computer that offers an audio jack, right? Some of the laptops and some of the new computers don't, in which case you probably need to use this with a dock or something. But for this, I think I like these. I'm going to try them out. Let's see what's in the package. This feels like it comes with replaceable ear pads. Yes, it does. It comes with 2 replaceable ear pads. No, wait a minute. Are these? Yes, they are. These are 2 replaceable ear pads. So I guess if those get worn, you are not worried about what happens next, which I have like maybe 5 sets of headsets that I have to find ear pads for, because over time that's what happens. Even when you're not using them, depending on climate where they were before, the room I was in, the studio was not as climate controlled as this, they get damaged, right? So Kiwi Ears Altruva 50mm dynamic driver headphones. I will test them out, and you can check out the link in the description of this review for the full review when I'm done. This is just an unboxing, but more to come, so please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned.